City are growing every day. But theft and crime happen anytime and anywhere. This Christmas we need safe and smarter city. Yes, we are here for you for safer and smarter automation. We have our for automation security multiple brands. ASI provides Hikvision visual surveillance. CCTV cameras provide visual surveillance with small set of monitors. Many stores use CCTV as a theft prevention deterrent. CCTV is used on various places for security purpose. Beninca. Home and gate automation. A mechanical automatic device helps to open and close gate automatically and road barriers. Auto gates are used in apartments, industries, toll gate etc. An automation of the home, housework or household activity. Garrett. Turnstile and metal detector. An access control system which monitors the flow of pedestrian and prevent unauthorized persons. A portal electronic instrument which detects the presence of metal nearby. ZKTeco. Entrance control. Access control systems you can prevent access by unauthorized visitors. Ubiquiti. Wireless antenna. High and wireless connection devices for transmission data. Mikrotik. IP peripheral. IP switches connectors, cables. Matrix. IP phone. A phone that use IP connection instead of the traditional public switched telephone network. Numens. Fire alarm system. Fire alarm detector is designed to sense fire, smoke, and excessive heat to quickly alert the workers and residents to escape the point. Lanstar. Electric fence. Fence carrying electrical pulses across its end are used to prevent unauthorized entries. Bosch. Installation tool kits. It's used for construction and home installation service kits. ASI. We supply. We install. We support 24/7. This Christmas, celebrate with us. For safe and smarter automation, contact www.asicom.ph.